This is just a test video with the new microphone. It has nothing to do with anything. Does it sound good? Does it sound alright? Do you like it? My microphone and a pop filter. That's all it is, just a test. And also see when you upload speed because I got it changed. Does it sound alright? You like it? This is not an ASMR video, I'm just doing that. If anyone says this is utterly relaxing, I'm gonna find you really weird, because it shouldn't be relaxing. Because it's literally just a sound test and an upload test. That's all it is. Nothing to it. Alright, I'm done. Thanks so much for participating. See ya.